Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will discuss the Sustainable Development Goals or the SDG, but I will discuss the SDG 12 until SDG 17. So this report highlights in what is the SDG 12 to SDG 17 was all about. So let us start. So first is the SDG 12, which is the responsible consumption and production. So this SDG aims to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. This means using resources like food, water, energy, and raw materials efficiently and responsibly so they are not wasted or depleted, ensuring they remain available for future generations. So this is DG or the SDG 12, which is the responsible consumption and production. It aims to promote responsible consumption and production by encouraging people and businesses to use resources wisely and reduce waste and protect the environment. So it focuses on making sure that goods are produced in sustainable ways and that consumers avoid wasting food, water, energy, and other materials. So SDG 12 is important because our consumption and waste harm the planet, contribute to pollution and climate change, and it reduces resources available for future generations. So by practicing responsible consumption and production, we help to protect the earth, conserve natural resources, and create also a healthier and more sustainable future for everyone. So this goal encourages students or asks students to learn how to use resources wisely and reduce waste in our daily lives. So by integrating lessons on recycling, like recycling, energy conservation, and also sustainable consumption into our schools, we as students develop or will can develop our habits that protect the environment and promote sustainability. So our education helps us and also those young learners understand the impact of their choices or our choices and equips them or us to make responsible decisions as consumers and future leaders. So that is the SDG 12, which is the responsible consumption and production. Now let us proceed to the SDG 13. So the SDG 13 is the climate action. So taking action to protect the environment and address climate change. So this sustainable development goal number 13 is one of the 17 goals set by the United Nations to encourage countries to take urgent actions against climate change and its harmful effects. So it focuses on reducing greenhouse gases emissions, strengthening resilience to natural disasters, and improving climate education, and also integrating climate policies into national development plans. So SDG 13 is important because climate change leads stronger typhoons. We all know that, and also floods, droughts, rising sea levels, and extreme heat, which threaten our lives and the livelihoods of every Filipinos or every people, and also food or the food security and the environment. So by taking climate action now, our countries can protect communities or countries can protect communities, especially those vulnerable ones, and ensure a safer, healthier, and more sustainable future for our next generation. So, um, Students can learn about climate change, so it causes and solutions through science and social studies. So by incorporating climate education in schools, we students become aware of the importance of reducing carbon emissions, conserving energy, and supporting sustainable practices. So this knowledge empowers them or us to take action or to take the action in our communities and contribute to global efforts to combat climate change. So that is the climate actions. It is all about taking action to protect the environment and address those climate changes. Okay, next is the SDG 14, life below water, conserving oceans and marine ecosystems. So this SDG aims to um, conserve and sustainably use the oceans, not only the oceans but also the seas and marine resources for sustainable development. So it focuses on reducing marine pollution, protecting marine ecosystem like coral reefs, ending overfishing, and also ensuring that ocean resources are used responsibly. So this goal is important because oceans cover most of the Earth's surface, provide food and livelihood for millions of people, regulate the global climate, and also produce a significant amount of the oxygen we breathe. So, without healthy oceans, marine life would decline, food security would be threatened, and also the balance of the planet's ecosystem would be disrupted. So, education about oceans, marine life, and the impact of pollution help us students as students understand the importance of protecting aquatic ecosystems. So through activities like studying water pollution, biodiversity, and sustainable fishing practices, learners or we can gain an appreciation for preserving water resources. So this awareness um, encourages responsible behavior that support the health of oceans for the future generations or for our future generations. So that is the SDG 12, which is the life below water, was all about. Next is the SDG 15, the life on land. So, life on land is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by the United Nations. So, its main focus is to protect, restore, and promote the sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem, manage forests sustainably, combat desertification, halt and reverse land degradation, and stop biodiversity loss or losses. So, SDG 15 focuses on protecting, restoring, and sustainably managing terrestrial ecosystem, including those forests, mountains, and drylands. So it aims to combat desertification, halt land degradation, and prevent the losses of biodiversity, ensuring that plants, animals, and the natural habitats thrive. So healthy ecosystems are essential because they provide clean air, water, food, and resources that support us, human life, and economic development. So, protecting land also helps communities adapt to climate change, reduce natural disasters, and preserves the balance of nature. So, this goal is important because without sustainable land management and biodiversity conservation, the survival of many species, including us humans, would be at risk, and the planet's natural resources would be depleted also for future generations. So that is why it is very important to promote sustainable use. of those kind of ano. So students or we as students learn about forest wildlife and biodiversity through environmental education program. So teaching the importance of planting trees, conserving habitats, and also protecting endangered species help us students develop respect for our nature. So by engaging also in hands-on project like tree planting or wildlife conservation campaigns, we as learners can connect classroom knowledge with our real-life actions to protect our planet. So that is the SDG 12 all about the life on land. Okay, let us proceed to the SDG 16, which is the peace, justice, and strong institution. So it is all about promoting fairness, peace, and strong governance. So SDG 16 focuses on creating societies that are safe, fair, and also inclusive. It aims to reduce violence, provide access to justice for everyone, fight also for corruption, and ensure that governments and institutions are accountable and transparent. So this goal is important because without peace, justice, and strong institutions, communities cannot thrive. People need to feel safe, trust their leaders, and have equal opportunities to participate in decision making. So, by promoting the rule of law and good governance, SDG 16 or this SDG 16 helps build stability, protect human rights, and support also sustainable development, allowing our societies to grow peacefully and fairly for all. So, school also play a key role in teaching us students about this fairness, human rights, and conflict resolutions. Education kasi encourages us critical thinking, cooperation, and also understanding of laws and governance, helping or help us students become responsible citizens. So by learning to resolve conflicts peacefully and respecting the diversity, we students can contribute also to build a safe, just and inclusive society. So that is the SDG 16 was all about the peace, justice, and a strong institution, promoting fairness, peace, and also strong governance. So now let us proceed to the last SDG, which is the SDG 17, the partnerships for the goals. So it's all about the strengthened global partnership and cooperation to achieve all the other 16 sustainable development goals. So SDG 17 it emphasizes that countries, organizations, and communities must work together by sharing knowledge, technology, resources, and also expertise. This goal is important because many challenges like poverty, climate change, and inequality are too big for any one nation to solve alone. So, by creating partnerships, countries can support each other, strengthen institutions, and ensure that progress toward sustainable development is inclusive and effective. So strong partnership make it possible to achieve a better, more equitable, and sustainable world for everyone. So this goal emphasizes the importance of collaboration talaga. And schools can teach students also how teamwork and partnership help achieve common objectives like group projects, community service, and international exchange programs demonstration for how working together locally and globally can solve problems more effectively. So learning about partnership help us students understand that collective effort is essential for sustainable development. So that is the SDG 17, the partnerships for the goals. So those are the SDG. So in conclusion, the Sustainable Development Goals or the SDGs serve as a global roadmap for creating better, more equitable, and sustainable world. So each goal addresses a critical issue from ending poverty, not only poverty but also hunger, promoting quality education, and achieving gender equality to also ensuring clean water, affordable energy, and climate action. So together, they emphasize that not only the improvement of human well-being, but also the protection of our planet. So the importance of the SDGs lies in their holistic approach, recognizing that progress in one area often depends on progress in others. So, by guiding nations, communities, and individuals to work collectively and responsibly, the SDGs provide a framework to leave no one behind and ensure a prosperous, fair, and sustainable future for to the generations to come. So that's all. Thank you.